Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In a world where scientific innovation continuously reshapes our lives, the realm of drug delivery has taken a groundbreaking turn. Researchers are harnessing the secrets of nature to revolutionize healthcare, and this innovation may soon echo across India's corridors of progress and possibility. Imagine swallowing a tiny capsule that could deliver life saving drugs like insulin or antibiotics directly into your body without the need for painful injections. A group of scientists who have developed capsules inspired by the ingenious mechanics of cephalopods. Yes, the squids and cuttlefish that elegantly propel themselves underwater. This groundbreaking development, unveiled in the prestigious journal Nature, could redefine how we treat diseases, not just globally but also in India, a nation that stands on the cusp of monumental healthcare advancement. These capsules, developed by experts from MIT, Brigham and Women's Hospital and Novo Nordisk, mimic the propulsion systems of cephalopods to release precise doses of medication into the stomach or digestive tract. This approach holds immense potential for medications like insulin, which has traditionally been administered via injections due to its vulnerability to digestive enzymes. But how does this innovation work? The researchers borrowed the cephalopod's ability to control their inkjets and adapted it into two engineering marvels: compressed gas or tightly coiled springs. A special carbohydrate trigger dissolves into the stomach's acidic environment, activating the jet propulsion system to release the drugs. It's efficient, non invasive, and, as animal studies show, highly effective in delivering macromolecular drugs with improved bioavailability. Now let's talk about why this matters to India. With a significant diabetic population estimated at over 74 million and the burden of diseases like tuberculosis and malaria, innovative drug delivery systems could transform treatment protocols. While this specific capsule awaits further development, similar advancements are already making waves. Take, for example, the University of Maryland's capsule, which unfolds in the stomach to deliver drugs over 2 weeks, a technology that could benefit long term treatments for diseases like HIV or tuberculosis. MIT's star shaped delivery device also exemplifies how such innovations can change the way medications are administered. India, with its robust pharmaceutical landscape, has also embraced cutting edge solutions. Anti tuberculosis drugs like bedaquiline and delaminid are now part of government's arsenal against TB. Similarly, the rollout of ivermectin or tropical diseases showcases India's commitment to leveraging modern science for public health. This isn't the first time India has harnessed scientific breakthroughs to address healthcare challenges. The mass production of vaccines during the polio eradication drive, for instance, underscored our ability to adapt global innovations for national needs. The potential of these capsules to integrate into India's healthcare system could parallel these milestones, offering affordable, accessible, and efficient solutions. If implemented wisely, these capsules could alleviate the discomfort and complications associated with injections, making chronic disease management easier for millions. It could also improve treatment adherence, particularly in rural areas where access to healthcare professionals is limited. But the real impact lies in how India can leverage its pharmaceutical might to develop indigenous versions of such capsules, ensuring affordability and scalability. Jay.